Thomas and James. We're coming right up. Right up, James. Do it. Hold down. Put it up to call.
Is Cranky helping, Olivia?
Cranky's helping me with up. Thank you, school.
Oh.
How? Come on. Come over here. Help. Needs help.
He needs help?
Yeah, find the bread.
Does he need Mommy to help push?
No, Cranky.
Oh, Cranky's gonna help. Okay.
Cranky's not angry. Come on. Go. Yeah, it fits it.
Yeah, it's great. Cranky's so helpful. Bless you.
It's good like this. Thank you, Thomas. It's good.
Uh-oh.
This is called up. This is called Reedy's dad. Reedy's dad.
James is really sad?
Yeah.
Because his coal car fell down?
Yeah, he's called right down.
Is James happy now that he's going down the slide?
He's really fun.
He's really fun? Uh-oh. Do you need help? Is it breaking?
He's fun in the slide.
He's going down the slide.
And this way.
Oh, he's a very useful engine?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he is.
Oops. Put the coal in and coal mine. Yeah, let's go put coal.
Let's go for the coal.
Let's go put the coal.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Okay, it's too small.
Oh, the bridge is too short? He won't fit. Uh-oh. I'll fix it.